Reading 12 and 24-hour clock part 1. Today we will learn how time is written and why and how AM and PM are used while writing time.
I want to learn how to dance, but where should I learn? There is a dance school in my colony. You can join there. Even I learned dance there during my holidays. It was a lot of fun. We both can learn together. That will be a lot of fun. Do you have any information about dance class? Yes, I do. I have their pamphlet. Hey, then show it to me. Come home, I'll show you. See, here is the pamphlet of the dance class. Show. They have mentioned the dance style and name of the teacher, but they have not mentioned what time they teach. It must be there. Look carefully. Oh yes, it does not mention the time. Hello, Auntie.
Hello, Neha. What are you both looking at?
Auntie, actually I want to join a dance class.
That is very good. Along with the studies, one should perform other activities as well.
Yes, Mummy. That's why I'm also thinking of learning dance again.
What is there to think? You both can join the dance class together.
Yes, Auntie, that is what we are planning. But the dance class timings are not written in the pamphlet.
Show me. The time of dance class is written on it.
Where?
See here.
This is the time? There is no hour or minute written on it.
Oh, this means you haven't been taught about time yet.
No, Auntie, it's not like that. We know how to tell time.
Okay, then you will understand this easily. See here, it is written batch 1 and the time of batch 1 is written in front of it. From 6 o'clock to 7:30.
So does this mean that these two dots are made in between to tell the hour and minute?
Yes, and these are not dots. This sign is called colon. And for time, hour, colon, minute is written like this on paper. See, it is 20 minutes past 2 o'clock in our house clock. So it will be written like this, 2:20.
Okay, this means that the first batch is from 6 o'clock to 30 minutes past 7 o'clock.
Yes.
Then why have they written this information twice?
Where is it written twice?
See this? The same time is written in front of batch 1 and in front of batch 6. From 6 o'clock 0 minutes to 30 minutes past 7.
No, these two are different timings. Batch 1 is in the morning and batch 6 is in the evening.
How do you know, Mummy?
Because they have written it. Look, in front of batch 1, the time is written as AM, whereas PM is written in front of batch 6.
AM, PM? What do they mean, Auntie?
AM is from 12 o'clock at night to 12 o'clock noon. Hence, AM written to show the time before noon. And PM is from 12 o'clock noon to 12 o'clock at night. Hence, PM is written to show the time after noon.
Whenever the time has to be mentioned, we have to write it with the information whether it is before noon or after noon.
Yes.
But what does AM and PM stand for?
Full form of AM is ante-meridiem. Ante in Latin language means before and meridiem means noon. So, ante-meridiem means before noon.
Oh, that means the full form of PM would mean afternoon.
Yes, full form of PM is post-meridiem. Post means after and meridiem noon. Hence, PM means afternoon.
This means their batch 3 starts before noon at 11 o'clock and ends at 30 minutes past 12 in the afternoon.
Absolutely right. Now you have learned to read and write time.
Yes, Mummy. Even you can become a teacher.
Today we learned that time is written in form of hour, minute. AM is written in front of the time when time is before noon. PM is written in front of time when the time is afternoon. Full form of AM is ante-meridiem, which means before noon. And the full form of PM is post-meridiem, which means afternoon. Reading 12 and 24-hour clock, Part 2. Today we will learn how to write time in the 24-hour format.
Vandana, I will not be able to come and play on Sunday. On Sunday, I, Mummy and Papa are going on a trip to Jhansi. We will come back from there on Sunday night. Jhansi has very nice forts. We went there last year. You will enjoy it definitely. How are you going there? We are going there by train. So have your tickets been booked? Yes. Papa booked tickets on the internet and took a print too. What does a train ticket look like? Let me have a look. I have never seen a train ticket. It is with my mummy. You wait here, I will get it. Here are the tickets. One to go to Jhansi and one to come back from there. Let's see what all are mentioned on the ticket. Look, it has Mummy, Papa's and my name written on it. It is also written that this train will go from Delhi to Jhansi. And what is this written? Scheduled departure. What is the meaning of this? I don't know, but the date is written in front of it and something else is written as time, but it is not time. Time must be written in the format of time. It's not. See, the time is written in 45 minutes past 17. Yes, and AM, PM is also not written along with it. Yes, let's go and ask your mummy what is written here. Mummy, it's good you came. We want to ask you something.
Tell me, what do you want to know?
Mummy, this is our train ticket. It has scheduled departure written on it. What does this mean?
Scheduled means fixed time and departure means to leave. So scheduled departure means time fixed for the train to leave. That is, the train will leave from the platform at this time. So we have to board the train before this time.
This means this information is showing the time?
Yes, it is showing both the starting date of journey and time of the train.
Here we have understood the date. But where is the time written?
Look here, Vandana. Time is written right in front of the date.
But it is written 45 minutes past 17.
Yes.
But the time at most is 12. We write 1 after 12, so what does 17 mean?
Oh, now I understand why you are confused. I will clear your confusion. Well, tell me, how many hours are there in a day?
There are 24 hours in one day.
Absolutely correct, Vandana. There are two ways to write those 24 hours. One way is to write AM or PM along with the time, and the second way is to write the time according to the 24 hours.
So does this mean that this is written in the 24 hours format?
Yes.
But how will we know whether it is evening or morning time?
It is very easy. 1 o'clock at night is written as 1:0. Just like that, at 2 o'clock at night is written as 2:00. Till 12 in the afternoon, it is written as 12:00. Now tell me, what is the hour after 12?
It is 1.
Yes. But when the time is written in 24 hours format, then the 12 hours of the afternoon are not written as 1, 2, 3 again. Instead, They are written as 13, 14, 15.
So does this mean that writing in the 24 hours format, 1 o'clock in the afternoon will be written as 13:00?
Yes. And when I saw that our train is at 45 minutes past 17, I said that our train is at 45 minutes past 5 o'clock in the evening.
Because you started reading after 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. That means 5 o'clock in the evening.
Yes, Neha.
Then how will we write 12 o'clock at night?
Why don't you try it yourself?
Okay, if 5 o'clock in the evening is 17, 6 will be 18, at 7 will be 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. That is 12 o'clock at night will be written as 24:00.
You found it correctly, Neha.
If it is 15 minutes past 12 o'clock at night, then how will we write it? 24:15?
No, after 12 o'clock at night, time starts from 0. So, if you want to write 1 minute past 12 o'clock, 00:01 will be written.
That means 15 minutes past 12 o'clock at night will be written as 00:15 in the 24-hour format.
Yes. Now that you have understood it, you can look at these tickets and find out when we will leave and when we will come back.
Okay, Mummy. Thank you, Auntie.
Welcome. Today we learned how to write time in the 24-hour format. Reading 12 and 24-hour clock, Part 3. Today we will learn how to read time correctly.
Hey Ayushman, why are you sad? Because tomorrow is my cousin's engagement and I will not be able to go. Why can't you go? See Vandana, his invitation card for the engagement. His engagement is happening when I am in school. Show me. Look, their engagement is from 8 o'clock to 11 o'clock in the morning and I am in school at that time. In this card, the time written is from 8 o'clock in the evening to 11 o'clock at night. Who told you that the engagement is during school time? No, it is during school time. Look carefully. PM is written in front of the time. Yes, I saw. PM is written. That's why I am saying the engagement is in the evening. PM is used to mention the time before noon. No, Ayushman. The full form of PM is post meridiem. Meridiem means noon. And post means after. So PM means afternoon.
Really?
Yes, earlier I too used to get confused, but since I started keeping the full form in my mind, I have no confusion.
Good. This means I can go for the engagement.
Yes, you can go. And you too memorize the full forms of AM, PM.
Oh yes, I have memorized for PM, post meridiem. Now tell me for AM.
Full form of AM is antemeridiem. Now I know meridiem noon. But what does ante mean? Ante is a Latin word which means before. So AM means before noon.
Now I understand and I'll never forget. But the best part is that I can go for the engagement now.
How was the engagement program?
It was very good. And I have got a time-related riddle for you from there. You will enjoy it. Can I ask you the riddle?
Ask.
My uncle was supposed to come for my cousin brother's engagement, but he couldn't come.
Why couldn't he come?
That's the riddle. Listen further. The time written on his train ticket was 20 minutes past 5 o'clock. He reached the railway station at 5 o'clock in the evening. He kept waiting, but the train did not come. He found out that the train had already left. That's why he could not come.
Oh, that was very bad. But what is the riddle here?
The riddle is that he reached the station before the time given on the ticket. The train did not leave in front of him. Then how did he miss his train?
Okay, tell me what time was written on his ticket?
The time written on his ticket was 20 minutes past 5 o'clock.
That is fine, but what was written in front of the time, AM or PM?
Nothing like that was written. Only 20 minutes past 5 o'clock was written.
That means the time was written in the 24 hours format. And in the 24 hours format, if it is written 20 minutes past 5 o'clock, it means that the time of his train was 20 minutes past 5 o'clock in the morning. But he arrived 20 minutes past 5 o'clock in the evening. And the train had already left in the morning. Absolutely correct. Vandana, I knew you could solve this riddle. But from this incident, it is understood that while looking at time, the format in which it is written should be kept in mind.
Vandana said that perfectly. While looking at the time, it should also be noted whether it is written in 12 hours or 24 hours format. AM is used for the time before noon and PM is used for the time after noon.